Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. I am Janae Simone. Today we're going to be making a turmeric mask to get rid of all those dark spots on your body because it is summertime and it's time to show some skin. So anyways, this recipe is really simple and it really works. So the ingredients that you're going to need, you're going to need some flour, you're going to need some honey, of course ground turmeric, olive oil, and milk. So I'm going to just be making this concoction in like this little cup, but you can make it in anything. What I will say is make sure you have on some clothes that you don't really care about. Like I usually do turmeric in this shirt, as you can see, because turmeric does stain. So as soon as it gets wet, it stains anything. So please be careful with that. Apply. So it should be really pasty, like this. Yeah, that's like the perfect consistency. So here we go, and be careful again because it does stain. We're just gonna rub this on your face. Or wherever you want your dark spots to be removed from. Alright, that's the face complete. And then I'm also going to do my underarms. So I have eczema under my arms, so my underarms get really dark, especially if I scratch a lot. So it's something that I do like to try to lighten when I can. And again, summertime is coming. So I want to show my, show all my skin. So yeah, we're going to go and put this under my arms as well. Okay, you guys, so now that we applied the turmeric in the places that we want to apply it to, we just have to sit and kind of in an uncomfortable position depending on where you put it, and just wait for it to dry. So once it dries, it'll start looking more dull and kind of like cracky. And if it's on your face will be a little harder to move, so that's how you know it's dry. And then you just wash it off with like a warm towel. And then, or get in the shower, which I'm going to just get in the shower, and then wash your face with your normal face washing routine. So, yeah, we're going to just let this sit and dry. Alright, you guys, so it's been about 20-something minutes, and, yeah, my face is pretty dry. Let me get a little closer for you guys. Yeah. My face is pretty dry. Like I said, it's gonna get like crusty, kind of hard to move your face. So yeah, this is the last step before rinsing it off and having vibrant, glowing, more even toned skin. So I do have to go to work, so I did not let it dry longer because it could have, because yeah, I gotta go. But anyways, I will show you guys the end results and before and after once I rinse it off. Thanks you guys for tuning in. I am Janae Simone. This is Janae's Journey. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming for you guys. Tell me what you think about this. Try it. I think there are different ways to make this turmeric mask. That's just the way that I make it. So if you have a different recipe, let me know because I want to see. I want to try different masks. If you guys want to see any other homemade masks, let me know because I'm so into masks. So let me know so I can try something new. Alright you guys, bye. Have a great day. Alright you guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm about to be late to work. So I just want to show you guys this skin real quick. These underarms. I am kind of due for a light shade. So don't judge me. But do you guys see this skin? It's glowing. is beautiful. No makeup, like, yes. So anyways, I gotta go. Don't forget to tell me what y'all think about the mask. Don't forget to give me more mask suggestions. And yeah, I gotta go. Y'all have a great day.